Hey guys, Game On Reality here, back with another video, and today we're going to be reviewing this Swiss Army knife that I just now got. And yeah, so let's unbox it. Alright guys, so I got the Swiss Army knife out right here, and yeah, how about we go over the features? Alright, so the first feature is a knife. So the second/third feature of this is there's a nail filer right here, and on the tip of this there's a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver. The fourth feature is scissors. So the fifth is on top right here, and it is a toothpick. The last but definitely not least is also on top on the other side, and it is tweezers. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Smash the subscribe button, and if you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.